I'm Chris Siegel, Vice President of Product Development with SATCO Products, and I'm here with Alex Truong, our Product Manager for our recessed lighting category. And we're going to talk about our Performer Series Slim Fit wafer style downlights.
So the Performer Series are ideal for customers who are looking for a basic, budget-friendly solutions. They are available in two sizes, 4-inch and 6-inch. They're available in two classic colors, the white and the black.
Alex, tell us a little bit about the material and the makeup of this product.
So the Performer Series, one of the ways that we're able to reduce the cost on this product, the trim is made out of durable plastic. And with that, it is a non-conductive material. So it is a non-conductive dead front trim, which is great for certain applications such as, the bathroom or any application where there are moisture or electrical hazards. So it's safe, and that safety is paramount.
And these are all 120 volt dimmable triac dimming products?
Correct, that's correct. So the Performer Series, these are 90 CRI products. It will help you get Title 24 compliance. It is airtight. As you can see, there's a gasket on here, as well as IC rated. It's Energy Star certified. Now, the Performer Series, there is a CCT selectable switch, which you can choose from 5 different color temperatures, 2700 Kelvin, all the way up to 5000 Kelvin. The driver box has 4 half-inch knockouts. Great for, getting in there and making the connection.
Plenty of room for your branch circuit wiring.
Yeah.
So that's a good overview of our Slim Fit Performer Series downlights. And we have an extensive line of recessed lighting. Please visit us at satco.com to learn more.